So, madami nagtatanong, kailangan ba ng invoice talaga to record your expense? So, in most cases, especially if non-VAT and you are itemized deduction, you will need a proper invoice for that so that you can claim it as an expense or allowable deduction or allowable expense. If wala kayong invoice, hindi nyo makiklaim yon as an expense. But, if you are 8% and optional standard deduction, hindi naman kasi kayo required talaga ng proper invoicing kasi wala naman kayong itemized deduction. Yung basis ng income tax niyo is yung inyong sales lang, yung gross sales niyo or net sales, and then if optional standard deduction kayo, less than 40%. So wala kayong itemized deduction, but yung suggestion ko talaga is i-record nyo if ever yung mga transactions nyo is related sa inyong business. Kahit wala kayong invoice, but the thing is, may chance if ever ma-audit kayo ng BIR, if itemized deduction kayo tapos claim nyo as part of your expense, is madi-disallow yan ng BIR. So, again, just to be safe, if itemized deduction kayo, be sure you have proper invoice sa inyong mga kiniklaim na expenses.